So here we are ready to test our aggregation query in MongoDB Compass. So let's add the first stage, that is going to be the group stage. So over here, as the expression, it is going to be a document with the state field, which is going to come from the state field of the original collection, and we also want the city field. Again, it is going to come from the city field of the original collection. And then we want to have the population. So with the sum operator, we would be able to find out the total population of that city in the particular state. So here it would be $pop. So you can see we are getting output of the first stage as a document underscore ID is a document or an object with state property and the city property, and it also gives us the total population of that city. Okay, so let's add the second stage so that we can arrange the data in the descending order. So that stage is going to be sort stage. So we want to sort it on the population field in descending order. So over here, this is the output of the second stage, where Chicago city belonging to Illinois state has the maximum population. So let's add the third stage, which is again going to be a grouping stage. Over here, the expression again is going to be a document where we want to have the state, which is going to come from the output of the second stage. So that is underscore ID dot state, and we want to have the largest city, which is going to be the first city in the document, or in the group rather. So first city is going to be city. Same way, we will be able to find out the largest population, and that is going to come from the first so over here you can see we can find out the largest and the smallest city. So smallest is going to be the last city, so over here let's add another stage, which is the sorting stage. Let's in the descending order to get the output. So we'll talk about the result of the fourth stage in the next video.